Hi everyone, this is Ahmad and I'm back with a new video series which is about Jest, a JavaScript testing framework. So I'm starting this new video series, and in this new video series we are going to learn about Jest. So if you are a JavaScript developer and you know just a little bit and this is something you want to learn in detail, this video series is for you. Ask me why you should learn Jest, because if you are really a developer and you want to improve your skill set and you want to get employed by some good company, Jest is something which is a requirement by a lot of good companies because they write unit tests with pretty much everything. So this is something you should know and you should learn. And yeah, so Jest is the JavaScript testing framework, and it works with the projects inside Babel, TypeScript, Node, React, Angular, and Vue, and more. So in this course, we are going to start from very basic. I will show you how you can install Jest and get started. We are going to see what are the matchers and how they work. And then we are going to see how you can write async test for the asynchronous code. Then let's say you wrote some unit test and now you want to do some stuff before every unit test, or maybe you want to do some stuff before running one time before running all the unit tests, or maybe after completing all the unit tests. So I'm gonna show you how you can do that kind of stuff inside setup and tear down. And we're also gonna look what are the scopes inside the Jest and how you can group your unit tests using Jest. And then we are gonna see how can you use mock functions using Jest. Yeah, so this is some of the stuff we are going to look inside this video series. So if you are interested in learning Jest, this is going to be a very best course for you. And do subscribe to my channel. And yeah, and that's it. Thank you.